Okay, this is a little bit of troubleshooting for the Kinect. If you look at the bottom, this is the 3-app Kinect. So we've got a different viewer, the user viewer, that is, we've got Fast, and then we've got the Kinect Studio. As you can see, they've all got bars open, so they're all open. You can only run one session at a time. So if we swipe from the left to the middle of a tablet, you'll see what's open. So we could start to close all of these apps down. So as you see there, there's no blue bars anymore. So if we press on the user viewer, see that comes up. So make sure you close it down afterwards. And we go on to Fast. On Fast, you'll need to press Connect. And then you'll obviously see, it's difficult to see that because it's so close to a wall. So again, there we go. Just make sure you've got a fair distance between the actual device. You can see my reflection quite badly there, can't you? Even more now. So we'll close that down. And then on the final one, if you press the Kinect Studio, so the Kinect Studio comes up, that's the recorder. Then you press the toolkit, which is the bar next to it. So you'll have 2 bars. Now under those icons, you'll find this screen. So you go down to the Kinect Explorer D2D, you press Run, and then what we should see is that we get the screen coming up. So if we now go to the user viewer, just to prove right, that's shown that's now connected. So you'll be getting an error there now, you'll just be getting a white screen. Likewise on Fast, if we open that up and press Connect, what you'll see is this error message suggesting that the sensor is not connected and driver's not installed. So left to center, and you can start closing these. It'll bring the windows up so you can close them all down. So close the program, and you'll see that's just left one app that's open. So if you want to close all of the windows down or find your way and navigate around the windows, you can actually just swipe left. Another thing just to be conscious of is, let's close these down, is like from the bottom right corner of a tablet, if you swipe in, there's something called tablet mode. If it's in tablet mode, that'll bring the tiled windows up, and you probably won't see the toolbar at the bottom. So to get back, or whilst you can see the apps there, so you can use them there, but just to flip, so you just turn tablet mode off, and then what you'll see is a more traditional desktop